I'm back from my 1 month trip from Europe. In this video I'm gonna mainly talk about the things I got back, the things I bought, especially in Sweden, because there's tons of things. My luggage was basically full of candies, chips, food, so many things. Oh, I just got reminded that there's more stuff downstairs. This is my first video of my whole trip, so I should let you guys know that I was planning to vlog my whole trip, but my phone got stolen, which was so much fun. And yeah, I had my GoPro, but I was just very afraid and paranoid that something else would get stolen, so I didn't do much with it. I just took some pictures, and then I had my shitty phone with me too. I hate it so much, but it came handy at the last minute, so I can't hate it as much as I want to hate it. I'm just going back to Sweden, going back to my old house and the house before that where I grew up. It's just so amazing, and seeing your childhood friends, it's amazing. Everyone have become adults. I think I'm just left behind. I'm just kidding. Seeing my old school, like everything just looks so much smaller now because we're older and bigger, I guess. But it was amazing. Okay, I do want to move back there. I want to maybe do my MBA or something, my master's, or just go there for 1 year and live, because Canada is my home now. So I am Canadian, but I'm also Swedish, so it's difficult. Like, I want to be here too because my family's here, my friends here, but then in Sweden my friends are there too, and I just love everything's so relaxing, so calm, peaceful, it's cozy. Christmas in Sweden is amazing. One thing I definitely miss. I miss Christmas, midsummer. That doesn't even exist here. They had Valborg. It's like a whole event where you put a lot of sticks and like tree pieces, I don't know. It's basically a lot of sticks, and you just put fire on it, and then some people just make their own marshmallows, and oh, it's so amazing. But yeah, Canada doesn't have a lot of events, I guess. It's a country like with different immigrants that built it up, but Canada is amazing too. I'm not hating Canada, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start with the candy because that's the best part. I should save it for the last, but I don't have the patience to. Once again, I have 2 packages. I had a third one for while I was traveling, but that's finished. So this is Godis. You eat it every Saturday in Sweden, unless you're an adult and have control over your own life. But you still probably just eat it Saturdays or when there's a party or whatever. It's candy. You can eat it anytime. I eat it anytime. I do. So this one has chocolate. Oh yeah, so basically what is Godis? Godis is like open candy. It's different types of candies. It's not only the jelly beans that you can just like pick whichever color you like and flavors. Like, it's actual candy, like good candy. They have chocolate, they have regular candy, like really good. I didn't bring Swedish fish because I don't like it. I don't know what people here is like, oh, Swedish fish, Swedish berries. Like, no, it doesn't taste good. It's like so regular. Like, actually try Swedish candy and then you'll know. Not the one you get in IKEA, because that's dry. because a lot of people don't buy it, so it just dries out. But you can't go to Sweden just buy the candy. Anyways, shut the hell up. Let's talk about the candy. This is chocolate in this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so amazing. I want to eat it, but I'm not going to eat it because then I won't be able to stop, and then I won't talk, and then this whole thing will be such a waste. So here is, oh, monkey. No, it's a bear. What am I saying? It's a bear. Here is bananas. Skum bananer. For all my Swedish people watching. Apple orange chocolate. There's so much in it. Oh my gosh, I can't watch it. It's pretty much feelings that I can't eat it right now. And then in this, I have my favorite flavors are candy types. This was half a kg. I think it's less now because my dad and my brother probably ate half of it. It looks so much less. I was planning to get the whole package full, but then I was like, nah, I still have 6 cavities that I need to get fixed, but I'm super broke, so I'll just buy candy instead and get my whole situation even worse, because why not? It smells so good. This is the S. I don't know what S stands for. Maybe Sweden. It doesn't make sense. It makes sense, but I mean, maybe stand for scum, because it's scum. Like, how do I say that in Canada? Scum? Scum? No. What? Yeah, whatever. It tastes really good. I want to eat it so badly, but I can't eat it right now. Oh, this is my brother's favorite. I hope he haven't seen this yet. There's like none of them left. This is the blue eye. I love this. Oh, it tastes so good. It smells so good. Like there's so many different flavors. Like this one. There's like these small tiny ones that have come in the bottle. The peaches. Basically, I just have like a lot of S flavors. Heaven. Heaven. And then I have more candy.